Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Phineas and Ferb Dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Phineas and Ferb Dimension. And I just hope when I head inside this dimension, I don't get Phineas and Ferb busted by Candace, guys, because then that would mean that Phineas and Ferb would have to go to school for the rest of their lives. That's right, guys. Phineas and Ferb would have to go to school for the rest of their lives, guys. That would be crazy. But what you guys need to head to this dimension, you need 20 orange wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur-lined wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your orange wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, grab your orange wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 lime wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a doofin smurfs, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 orange wool on this side and then 5 orange wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 lime wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Phineas and Ferb Dimension, guys. This is going to be so amazing, especially if they've made one of their amazing inventions. Oh my god, whoa, is that Phineas and Ferb's house? Oh my god, wow, that is absolutely amazing, guys. I think I might move in with Phineas and Ferb. I definitely think I might move in with Phineas and Ferb. You know what? Let me go ahead and check this place out. I'm going to look through their windows, guys, because that's not creepy at all. And oh my god, they have a really nice sofa, and they have a humongous TV inside there, guys. Oh my god, I gotta go in there, guys. I gotta go in there and watch that humongous television, guys. Let's go ahead and let's just head in, guys. Let's just head in, see what's inside here, guys. And oh my god, wow, they have a dining room table. Oh my god, this is probably where they eat all of their mashed potatoes and everything, guys. And oh my god, is that one of their inventions in the backyard? Oh my god, wow, that is amazing, guys. That is absolutely amazing. But let's go ahead and let's check out this sofa and television, guys. Wow. I cannot believe that I am actually sitting on Phineas and Ferb's sofa watching their humongous television, guys. Wow, this is so amazing. I bet they watch Smooth Marky on that television all the time, guys. But let's go ahead and let's check out their kitchen, guys. And whoa! This is amazing. And oh my god, is this their refrigerator? Whoa, they have cookies and they also have bread. Oh my god, I gotta get a loaf of bread, guys. I gotta get a loaf of bread. Wow, I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe this. And oh my god, I can wash my cookie off in the sink. How cool is that, guys? That is really cool. That is really cool. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to look in this room, guys, and see what's inside here. Oh my god, this is their bathroom. Wow, and this is their tub, guys. I can actually go for a swim in their tub with my cookie, guys. How amazing is that? And right over here, guys, is their toilet. Who don't like their toilet, guys? Everybody likes Phineas and Ferb's toilet. And they also like to sit on the toilet and then wash their cookie in the sink, guys. Don't everybody do that? I think everybody does that. And if they don't do that, they jump into the tub, guys. That's right. Let's do this. Oh my god. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. It was amazing that we was able to jump into the tub from the toilet, guys. We was able to jump from the toilet into the tub, into the tub, into the toilet. It was all mixed up, guys. It was so mixed up. But let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and head on up the staircase, guys, and see what's going on up here, guys. And oh my god, is this Candace's room? I'm not supposed to be in her, guys. I'm not supposed to be in her. Let's go ahead and jump on her bed, guys. Wow, she has a really nice jumpy bed, guys. I really love Candace's bed. But let's go ahead and check her chest. I don't see any diaries or anything in her chest. I thought she was going to have a picture of me, and then it was going to have like a heart around it, guys, because I think she really loves me, guys. I think Candace really does love me, guys. But let's go ahead and let's leave this room. I really don't want to leave it, but I'm going to leave it, guys, to check out Phineas and Ferb's room. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with you, Ferb. Oh, my God. I am a huge fan of yours. Wow, I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with you. My pig's a huge fan of yours too, ain't you, pig? Yeah, my pig loves you so much. So much. You love him too? He really does. He really does, pig. Look, and he can even stick his head in the wall. Can you do that? I didn't think so. My pig can do that. He can stick his whole head in the wall. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, Ferb. Like, the stuff that this pig can do, you know, he wants to invent stuff like you, and I do too. Maybe he can teach us some stuff later. There's nothing in this chest, and there's nothing in this chest. Let's go ahead and jump on their beds. I wonder which one's Phineas's and which one's Ferb's, guys. I would say this is probably Ferb's, and then the other one's probably Phineas's. Oh, this is your bed? Well, I guess my pig knew that. He's walking away now. He's walking away. Obviously, he don't like your magic tricks, pig. He don't like you sticking your head in his wall. And he definitely don't like you on his bed, do you? Nobody likes pigs on their bed. You don't mind me on your bed, though, do you? I don't think he does. I'm going to go ahead and check out your invention now. Yeah, I'm about to go into the backyard and check out his cool invention, guys. It looked like some kind of robot or something, guys, but I'm not for sure. I think it is, guys. I think it's some kind of robot or something. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is absolutely amazing. This thing actually looks like it might be able to fly or something, guys. Or it might just blow up. I'm not for sure, guys. I'm not for sure what's going to happen. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow it up with some TNT before Candace sees it. Because if Candace sees this, guys, she's going to tell on them. And then she's going to send them off to school for the rest of their lives, guys. And I definitely don't want that to happen. I don't want those guys to get sent off for the rest of their lives to school. I especially don't want myself to get sent off to school for life, guys, because that would be really bad for me, guys. I have some plans. I have a future. Let me go ahead and like that and back up, guys. Oh my God, this is gonna blow. Boom. Oh my God. Whoa, did you guys see that fly way up into the air? Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Even my pig came out to see it. I cannot believe that my pig came out to see the explosion, but that was amazing, guys. That was absolutely amazing. It even took their tree out, so they no longer have a tree anymore, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.